All right, let's look at the homework 11.1, problem number 9. All right, so we have a differential equation, dA over dt is equal to k times a. And its general solution is a equals c times e to the kt. All right, then so initial investment is given to be 1100, which means that the a of 0 is equal to 1100. So let's write that down. Right, so we know that a of 0 is 1100. Right, but if you plug in t equals 0 into this general solution, we can see that we're going to get just a c. So from here, we know that the c value is equal to 1100. Right, which means that we know a little bit more about the solution. So solution is 1100 times e to the kt. Right? Now we have to look at the other condition. It says that after 10 years, so a of t is equal to 3,470.77. Right? So what we get is going to be, let's see, we have a of 10 is given to be 3,470.77, right? But if you plug in t equals 10 into the function or formula, you're going to end up getting this. 1100 e to the k times 10 is equal to 3,470.77. Right, let's solve this equation for k. Right, first we're going to get rid of 1100 by dividing through by 1100. So we're going to get this. Right, then we need to get rid of this e, so we're going to take the natural log of both sides. So natural log and exponential function cancel out, so you end up getting just tan k, and then you have a natural log of the right hand side. Right, and then all you have to do is divide through by 10 to isolate k. So let's go ahead and do that, and we get this. All right, so divide through by 10, and this value comes out to be, according to a calculator, comes about to be 0.11. All right, so let's type this guy in. All right, so what we got was 1100 e to the 0.11 t. All right, let's check the answer. All right, it came back and looks like we got the function correctly. All right, so let's look for the correct picture. All right, so it looks like when t equals 0, it has to hit 1100. So you can see that here, this one doesn't hit 1100, so it's not going to be it. And here, this is way off. All right, so it's going to be, let's see, the third picture or the fourth picture, right? Then another thing we need to look at is that we know that when after 10 years, it has to be 3,470.77, and which one has that, right? After 10 years, it looks like it doesn't even reach 2,000, so you can see that the correct picture is the fourth one. You can see that it's going to hit the right spot here. Right, so let's check the answer here. All right, it came back and looks like we got the correct picture there. All right, that's it. I hope that this was clear.